What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Snapchat lag issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the Snapchat lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then clear the cache memory of the Snapchat app. So for that, tap and hold on the app, then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the app. So to clear it, tap on this clear data and then select clear cache. Now tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the Snapchat lag issue will be fixed. But somehow if you're still facing the same issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone. Now tap on software version, and then it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, it will fix the app's lagging issues. So that's how you can fix the Snapchat lag issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.